Hello everyone, take a sheet and draw the circle on it and then complete the face. Now draw the mouth of the frog, draw its legs on the sides. Now color it, make its ears on the top, make its legs like this and then fill it with different colors, or you can use green color and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a fish. So draw a circle like this and draw a line inside it. Now draw the eyes, fins and the mouth of the fish like this. Make its tail on the back. Now color it using blue and yellow color as shown in the video and your fish will be ready. Next, we'll be making a seahorse. So draw the lines like this, make its mouth in the front. Now draw its eyes. Now complete its body by drawing the lines like this. Make its legs. Now we will draw the lines on the back of its body and then join it by in the wavy ways. Now color it using different colors and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a cute circle like this. Now draw the lines inside it and then join it from the sides. Here we are making a tortoise. Make its face and the legs. Now draw a tail on its back. Now make its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth. Color it as per your choice and your tortoise is ready. Next, we'll be making a shark. So take a sheet and then draw the lines in the same manner as shown in the video. Now join it like this, make its tail on the back, make it sharp teeth, draw its eyes and the fins, color it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.